Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. I'm setting up in my monthly December calendar, and I'll be utilizing this Paper House Life Organized Planner Girl sticker book that was a collaboration with Sugary Gal Shop. In addition to that, I'll be using some Happy Planners sticker books such as the colorful boxes and the seasonal sticker book, as well as the memory keeping dates and holidays sticker book. Now, this is an undated monthly calendar that I printed out using a digital file that I purchased, and I went ahead and dated it first. And I love to put my monthly sticker at a slant there, so that's what I did, keeping with my style of how I do things. But I wanted to use this set of stickers from this particular Paper House sticker book featuring the Sugary Gal Shop dolls, which are some of my favorite dolls to utilize. It has like the buffalo check pattern in both black and white and red and black, and I thought that would be fun with the holiday style. So first I'm going to put down some silver foil colorful box stickers, and then I'm going to add a box sticker from the Paper House sticker book. And I just think that this doll is so cute with her little red cap with the fluffy ball at the top, and then she has on her buffalo check pattern vest with a white turtleneck. You guys, I don't even know if I own a turtleneck anymore. Living down south, I need to see. I don't think I have any more turtlenecks. I think I've gotten rid of them all. Oh my gosh. But then I put down an additional foil color box sticker in silver, and I added from the Paper House sticker book this buffalo check. I don't know if it's when it's red, if it's still called buffalo check or not, but it's a plaid bow that I thought was really cute up at the top. And I can use that box sticker with the line going through there to write out some things that I may want to shop for or important reminders for the month. From there, I decided to go ahead and use this seasonal sticker book. It's the mini version style. I'm not for sure why I got the mini, but that's okay. It works fine. I can make some adjustments with this particular monthly calendar, and I decided to use a Happy Holiday sticker box that went across three of the boxes that did not have any dates in them, which I sort of like because that filled up that area down there. And I also took from the seasonal mini sticker book this box sticker with the hollies and holly leaves that are in white, but against a red box background. And I thought that was real cute, and I put one of the Sugary doll on the side of that, and I thought that was really cute to take up that space that did not have a date in it. Next, I'm using this beautiful Simply Gilded washi tape. I believe this one is part of the holiday collection. The red on here is so beautiful, you guys. I mean, it's just a beautiful red for the holiday season, and I love it with the silver bows. And so I put that at the top, put a little bit at the bottom. At first, I did not want to use a lot of washi tape on this spread, but it just felt like it needed some of this gorgeous washi tape. And so what I did is I just spread it throughout the monthly calendar, and I used like a couple of boxes at a time, and then maybe a single box, and then in the middle I put like the two boxes, the 16th and the 17th. I put it across those two boxes, even though they're separated by the spine of the two pages. And then for the 7th, I just put it in that one box over there, but I just wanted to put it here and there, not take up a whole lot of space with the washi tape, because this particular washi tape could be very much in your face if not done carefully. So I love how that turned out. I added another doll sticker at the bottom there, sort of linking the washi tape and the foiled color box sticker together. She's cute with her red trench coat on and her little ankle booties on. So cute, love it. And then now what I'm looking at is for some of the stickers out of the seasonal sticker book still. In addition to that, I probably will grab some of the stickers from the memory keeping dates and holiday books, but right now I'm in the seasonal book, and I'm just grabbing some stickers that I know that I will need to do throughout the month of December. The stickers that I seem to be using are more for your bucket list or wish list of activities to do, but that's okay because I need to use these stickers such as holiday shopping. I gotta get that done, and your girl loves some holiday movies, so I know that will be taking place, as well as I love to wear matching PJs with my goddaughter. Last year I was able to buy my mom, myself, and my goddaughter matching PJs, and we just thought we were so cute. So I'm hoping to be able to do that for her again this year. And then I put down the Christmas sticker, as well as I know of a couple of birthdays that are coming up. I'll be celebrating my late grandmother's birthday, honoring her on her birthday. And then I also have a relative who's born on New Year's Eve. How cool is that? And then I put down a couple of gift box stickers, because on the 10th I'll be delivering a box to one of my dear planner friends, and we're doing like a gift exchange, and it's going to be really fun and cool. We've been just like chatting it up about how we are just so excited to do this as part of a collab that we're going to be doing as well. And then I know that I have to wrap some gifts and send out holiday cards, as well as I want to do a holiday playlist. Yeah, and I have several sections to wrap gifts, so that's going to be taking place throughout. But I love wrapping gifts, but as I got older, it's not necessarily one of my favorite activities anymore. But it used to be. I love wrapping gifts so much that as I got older, my family would be like, here, wrap our gifts for us to give to other people. And I was just like, no, I don't want to do it anymore. But I still love wrapping gifts. So I'll be doing that throughout the month of December leading up to Christmas. And I'm just going to add a couple of more stickers here. This buffalo or plaid heart sticker was really cute, and I thought that would sort of add a little bit more decor down there towards the end of the month. And I think I am done. I'll be adding like some functional stickers in addition to when I actually write in the planner. But here's an overview from the left page and the right page. I absolutely love how this turns out. It screams holiday season for me. And let's look from left to right as well. I just love it, and it makes me excited for the month. And then I'm like, OMG, it's almost the new year, right? So here is a final look at my planner setup for the month of December. I hope you enjoy this process video, setup video, plan with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, and I will link down below where you can get this sticker book for yourself. Until the next time, bye bye.